Hello. 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 Good evening. No, we cannot hear you, Piyush. No, we are not able to hear you now. No, we are not yet able to hear you now. No. You are on mute. Mute. Piyush ji, you are on mute.
Am I audible now?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Fantastic. I was asking time and again that time. I think I was not audible that time.
No. 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 We are making you. I am making you co-host.
Okay.
So we'll wait one moment and then we can start. Yes. Maybe.
And I request everyone to kindly switch on your videos. Please start your videos so that we can see each other. This is more of a dialogue session. I would expect people to participate and talk to me as well. So I would request everyone to kindly switch on your video and also unmute yourself for some time, unless or until there is a disturbance. Am I audible to everyone? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. I request everyone to kindly switch on your videos so that it looks like we are talking to each other. We'll wait for another 5 minutes. There are 48 registrations, I think so. Only there are 12 now. 15 now. Rushiji, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. There are 17 now. We will wait for some more 2-3 minutes.
Maybe in meantime, people can put in chat where are they are from and what is their profession. Maybe that could help you to plan the session. So if all of you can put where are you from and what is your profession right now.
Okay. I request everyone to kindly switch on your video and unmute yourself and just give a quick round of introduction. Where are you from? What exactly is your profession? What you do? We'll start with Mr. Pawan.
Good evening. My name is Pawan Bharadwaj. I'm from Bangalore. We are in the business on trading of UPS, batteries, water conditioners, and solar. Look forward to
Okay.
hearing from you.
Okay. Okay. We'll talk just about the basics, Mr. Pawan. I mean,
Sure.
not as industry specific, but
Sure.
you know, general. Yeah, yeah. How about Mr. Avin? Mr. Avin, you can unmute yourself. AVIN. Or Mr. Nimay Agarwal.
Good evening, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. Good
Good
evening.
evening.
And myself, Nirvay Agarwal. I am
Okay.
from Bangalore city and basically from Nepal, but in Bangalore almost since 2001. And I am working as a senior sales manager in Bajaj Allianz Life.
Hello. The video was stuck.
Is it okay now, sir?
Yeah. Is it okay? It's okay now. You can talk.
Yeah. So in Bangalore since 2001, basically from Nepal, and working in
Okay.
Bajaj Allianz Life as senior sales manager.
Bajaj Allianz Insurance.
Correct, sir.
Okay. How about Yash Javeri?
Hello, sir. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
I can hear you. I can hear you.
Oh, Hello, sir. My name is Yash Javeri, and I am from Mumbai, and I'm currently working in my family business. We are into healthcare and manufacturing. So currently, we are manufacturing all the COVID essentials like reply mask, PPE kits, and all. And I'm
Okay.
currently the sales and marketing head in my own family business.
Wow, wonderful. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So we are amongst the largest manufacturing companies for COVID essentials in Maharashtra.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
That's that's amazing. How about 1 minute? Shreya S. Badrinath.
Hi, good evening, all.
Good
Hello,
evening, Shreya.
am I audible?
Yeah, good evening, Shreya. Yes, you are audible.
Yeah, so I'm a childbirth educator and I help couples, expecting couples to understand how their body functions for a normal birth. I also do a lot of
Okay.
counseling, and the program that I teach is called Hypnobirthing, which is a structured, researched program, and it is an international
Okay.
program. Yeah,
Okay. And where are you like located, Shreya? Where are you
I'm
from?
located in Chamrajpet, Bangalore.
Acha, Bangalore. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
thank you.
Nice. Yeah. Thank you. There are about 14 people now. How about Mr. Anup Kishore Bhatnagar? You're from?
Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Anu Bhatnagar from Delhi, and I'm basically an aviation instructor, a soft skill trainer, and a graphologist. Thank you.
Okay. Nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Anyone else? Mr. Tanmay Bhatt. Mr. Tanmay? Okay, so am I audible now? Is everyone here? Can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So this seminar or webinar or a Zoom meeting is not anything about any particular industry or a specific domain, but we are generally talking about the sales and what exactly is sales. How do we go about sales? I request everyone to kindly switch on your videos, please, if possible, and also unmute yourself because this would be more of a dialogue rather than not a monologue. Uh, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm Dr. Piyush Goyal from Bangalore, and I'm an MBA in marketing and HR from ITM Business School, class of 2002, and I've spent good amount of time in corporate world. Before my stint of spirituality, I have worked on the capacity of general manager and vice president on a national head roles in insurance and real estate domains, and in financial services industry, in portfolio planning. And I've been associated with direct sales, agency sales, corporate business. I was also part of taking care of channel partners, sales team, business development, and so on and so forth. Currently, and post my corporate tenure, I have started my journey in spirituality with my own international yoga school, yoga brand, and I'm an author. I have also done a good amount of work in Vedic astrology and occult science. So that's my life now. But yes, end of the day, I'm a sales blood, sales and marketing blood. So I just wanted to check everyone, talk to everyone that what exactly is sales? What do you know about? What do you think sales is? Let's talk here. Let's debate about it. What is sales? What do you mean by sales? What can you define sales? Anyone?
So it's like educating people and giving awareness.
Correct. Very good. Anyone else who would like to give any input about sales? What exactly is sales? anyone. So it becomes more of, more of a dialogue kind of thing, and we can exchange inputs here. And if everybody can unmute yourself and switch on your videos as well.
I feel sales is something which is basically something where you like sell something or something which is sold, but basically in the form of numbers. Like there's a difference between
Okay.
marketing and sales. So in marketing, you will be like promoting and spreading awareness, whereas sales is like once you are done with marketing and all, that's the time when you are able to sell a product, and the amount that you make and also the number of items that is sold of that particular product would be sales, I feel.
Okay, so that's a great answer, and obviously Nirnay also has given a good answer. If there can be thousands of definitions, but what I feel, sales is an art and as a science.
Right.
Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, it's an art. Why it is an art? Because sales is never, as per me, sales is never ever a standard solution for everyone. Can sales be standard for everyone?
No.
So it's an art. What is art? The art is a process which is a flexible platform given to our associates or anyone who is dealing with us. Or art, why art? Because you need to be creative in sales. You need to put your ideas in sales. You need to be different for different individuals. It cannot be same for everyone. No, जब आप घोड़े की पेंटिंग बनाते हैं तो पेंटिंग अलग होती है. When you make a painting of Buddha, the painting is totally different. The kind of strokes that you give is totally different. So sales is an art. Art also because you are customizing your solution as per the requirement of a client. Now, why it is a science? Why it is science? So why sales is science? Why do we call sales as science? क्या जरूरत है साइंस बोलने की इसको? Science because it's a process. Can you just go with a checkbook or can you just go to a client and just show the product brochure and say कि मुझे check दे दो, हो गया? So there is a process involved. Sales is also a process. Why sales people or marketing people fail miserably? Because they do not use the art, they do not use science as well, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. It's a process. Because I need to understand where do I start and where do I finish, right? So generally हम एक सेल्स की लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं. जैसे मैं निर्णय का एग्जांपल लूंगा या यश प्रोडक्ट.
Sorry?
What's your product actually? What's your product?
We have multiple products, but one of the most selling product for us is the 3-ply mask right now because of COVID and all.
Okay, now let's start here. And Nirnay also. Nirnay's product is insurance. Okay. Now, when I say suspecting, when we look at sales, okay, I'll give you an example. A crime was committed. There was a club, and in that club, there were about 100 people. Out of 100, one person was you can say was murdered. For example, out of 100, one person was murdered, and the cops came, and the cops were trying to find out who has murdered that person. Now, who is the suspect? According to you, who will be the suspect? Who is the suspect here?
All, sir, all.
Everyone,
Why
right? Because
all? तो सेल्स में क्या होता है? सबसे पहले मैं बहुत बेसिक की बात कर रहा हूं, मैं किसी इंडस्ट्री की बात ही नहीं कर रहा. I'm not even talking about an industry. When sales people are sitting in office or they are strategizing things, वो पहले ही बोल देते, अरे यार ये तो this client will not give me, अरे यार this client will not give me, अरे यार this client will not give me. All I need to do is मुझे डाउट सबके ऊपर होना चाहिए. I should have a clear-cut idea that hey, this is my market. If I remove, see, if cops, let's say in that example, if cops ignore 10 people saying that these 10 people cannot harm this guy. They cannot murder a person. And out of them, only one person was the one who has actually killed that person. So imagine what will happen. The investigation will not happen properly. Same way, I am sorry I gave you a very, very tamasic example, but just for example point of view. Now, same way, when you look at suspect, the whole world is your suspect. Now you must be thinking, क्या कर रहा है, क्या बात कर रहा है पीयूष, पूरी दुनिया कैसे suspect हो सकती है? You are selling, for example, something like you are selling some, let's say, recliner, or you are selling medical instruments you are selling, or something else. So suspect आपको देखना पड़ेगा, इसका एक लॉजिक है. I tell you why. Because आपको एक मार्केट बनाना पड़ता है. You have to create a market. See, when you put 5 oranges, you get one glass of juice. When you put 10 oranges, you will get two glasses of juice. So if you're suspecting wheel, that we call a suspecting wheel. अगर आपकी suspecting wheel strong नहीं है, in case if you are not suspecting properly, how on earth you will get the prospect? Now, what is a prospect? So now let me tell you, for example, insurance. So Nirna, you're there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, kindly unmute yourself. I request everyone to unmute yourself and also participate if possible in the discussion. Nirna, you are selling insurance. Now, who do I know? Because I was working in Tata AIG. Who do I know? Because I was working in ICICI. Who do I know? Because I was part of this club. Who do I know? Because my wife is working in XYZ company. Who do I know? Because I have passed out from this school. Who do I know? Because I was employed in that organization. Like that, you will build your suspecting wheel. Like that, you will build the book of your suspect. So most of the time, sales people fail miserably because वो अपना phone book उठा के नहीं देखते. They don't look at their phone books. They don't look at their tabs. वो पूरी दुनिया में अरे lead दे दो, ऐसा नहीं होता. कि you will go to so many lead generation units, you will pay them XYZ amount of money for leads. अरे lead तो आपके phone पे है. It's there in your phone. Because all that who do I know is there in your phone. So why I am searching and why I am tense to build that suspecting basket from external world? Correct me if I'm wrong. That is where you will create a funnel. You will take a book and you will make a funnel. Funnel create करोगे आप, ठीक है? Trust me. Do not assume. But once you do this process, you will get at least 80 to 100 names just like that. You agree to this? We never do that. Now, what we do, we run outside to generate leads. We buy leads or whatever we do. कि leads नहीं है मेरे पास में, कहाँ से लाऊं business, from where I should generate business for this month and all that. So that is known as suspecting. The whole world is your suspect. The whole world is your suspect. Kyunki you never know, right? So that is a very basic step of sales. Now, from all these suspects, let's say now you have 100 names. All of you have 100 names. Can you expect everyone will be your prospect? Can you expect that everybody will give you a check? Or do you think you will be able to partner with everyone? No, right? Because there is a logic involved here. Correct? The person who has money, who has authority to decide whether the person has to buy from you or not, and the person who has need, money, authority, and need, that we call as man. Money, authority, and need will only give you check. We all agree to this? Correct? So, a prospect आप जब करोगे, this is one part of the game. This is one part of the process. The person who has money, who has authority, who has need, is my prospect. Out of those 100 names, मैं बहुत छोटा सा example लेके I am telling you, out of those 100 names, let's say 80 people do not have money, do not have authority, but they may have need. Or let's say they don't have need also. So are they your prospects? Or you are going to waste your time running after those clients? You cannot do that, right? So prospecting hoti hai when who is the decision maker to buy this product. Let's say in insurance, Nirna will go to a house and they will he has fixed a meeting and he is going to meet some couple of people in next 4 days. So let's say you have met about 5 housewives and homemakers, respected हमारी जो महिला वर्ग है समाज की, आपने उनसे मिले घर पे जाके. But you need to check if they are the bosses at home, if they can write the check, if they have the power to write the check, if they have the power to decide whether this product has to be purchased by them or not. ये आपको investigation से आएगा. Now I'm slowly connecting to 1 minute. I'm slowly connecting myself to an investigation method in prospecting. When you talk about prospecting, kindly switch on your videos, please, if possible, and unmute yourself to participate in the discussion, if possible. I request everyone to unmute yourself and switch on your videos, if possible. Okay. So now, what is the investigation method in sales? Now you met your prospect. You know the person has money, has authority, and need also. How will you go about selling? Can anyone explain this process? Do you have any idea how to go about it now? Asanga, can you tell me? Can you explain something about it? Like you have met the customer now, and you are about to start probing an investigation. How will you sell the product to the customer? Like the person has money, person has authority.
We have to communicate with them, get to know them.
Okay. Now, what are the key points in the communication?
So we have to introduce ourselves. We have to market ourselves. In my case, we are providing a service. So.
Okay.
And,
we'll come back to you also. Okay. Lokesh, Nirnay, aap bataiye. Now you are with a customer. You know the customer has money. The customer is underinsured. Customer has need also. How will you start the investigation?
Sir,
Next, एक आपको clue देता हूँ. I'll give you a clue. Okay, you talk to me first. You explain me how to go about it.
So first I would like to build a relationship with the customer.
Correct.
First relationship I have to build, show them the trust that I'm trustworthy.
Okay.
I should not be showcasing my company. I should be showcasing myself. That I am there for you.
Correct. Which is your interpersonal skill will come into picture.
Yes, sir. So once I have yes, sorry, sir. Please tell me, sir.
Tell me. No, go ahead.
So once I have gained the trust of the customer, then slowly I will understand their requirements. What are the requirements? What are the needs? And we have to analyze that. Based on that analysis.
How that is what I'm asking. How will you do the analysis? You're right. You will do the analysis, but analysis kahan se start karoge?
So first we'll talk about their family, how many members, what are they doing, what are their day-to-day habits. Knowing about the family members very well and their incomes, expenses. So small things we'll just keep on asking them. So we get to know about their lifestyle. And from there, we can pick out the pictures where they are missing the things where we have to fill the blanks.
Okay, very good. So now, a very beautiful answer. Anyone else would like to participate here and add value here? Shreya, if you want to say something. Lokesh, you would like to participate. Lokesh, आप कुछ बोलेंगे? और कोई बोलना चाहे? Somebody else someone else you would like to participate and say something here? How will you investigate? I request everyone to kindly switch on your videos and unmute yourself to participate in the discussion. I request everyone to kindly unmute yourself and participate in the discussion so that we can, understand more about it. Okay, let me explain. So when you are with a customer now, you know the person has money, the person has authority, and the person has need. The first thing, like how Nirnay said, current situation. See, जब आप एक डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, when you meet a doctor, doctor will not say anything. Just put stethoscope on your chest and start writing medicine. No, right? He is not going to do that. Doctor will understand your current situation. Do you have fever? Do you have cough? Do you have cold? What's your medical history? Is there any problem in the family in terms of any hereditary disorder or something else? I request everyone to kindly unmute yourself and switch on the videos, please, to participate in the discussion. मेरा सबसे निवेदन है कि आप अपना वीडियो ऑन करके अनम्यूट करिए ताकि हम डिस्कस कर पाए. क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं चल पा रहा है कि आप लोग मतलब एक मिनट कुछ आवाज नहीं आ रही है. आप लोग प्लीज switch on your videos and unmute yourself, please. Requesting everyone. I'm requesting again everyone to kindly switch on your videos and unmute yourself, please, to participate in the discussion. Tanmay Bhatt, Sachin, Surinder Sethi, India, Nayak.
Hi,
Okay.
good evening.
Good evening. So I can see Lokesh now. Lokesh, आप इसमें कुछ वैल्यू ऐड करना चाहेंगे? जब आप कस्टमर के साथ बैठे हैं या कस्टमर आपके साथ बैठा है तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो चालू होगी वो कहाँ से होगी? उसको कोई माल बेचना है तो अगर आपको
काफी टाइम हो गया मार्केटिंग छोड़े, है ना? अभी तो
नहीं आप एक नहीं आप एक एक्सपर्ट है, मुझे पता है, तो थोड़े आपके ओपिनियन जानने थे इसीलिए.
हाँ, उसकी जो
तो
नीड्स क्या है? हाँ,
करेक्ट. अब जैसे मैं इफ आई नो लोकेश का टाइल्स का काम है, लोकेश इज इनटू टाइल्स बिजनेस. अब मैं लोकेश की शोरूम पे गया और मैंने बोला कि लोकेश मैं घर बना रहा हूँ और मुझे टाइल्स, आई नीड टाइल्स. सो लोकेश विल अंडरस्टैंड माय करंट सिचुएशन. ही हैज टू अंडरस्टैंड माय करंट सिचुएशन फर्स्ट कि पीयूष क्या घर बना रहे हो, किस तरीके का बनाना चाहते हो. मुझे बनाना है बहुत एक ऑथेंटिक कॉटेज स्टाइल में और मैं इनसे मांग रहा हूं कुछ मार्बल्स या कुछ जो देसी टाइल्स होते हैं. Wrong strategy. I'm not from tiles industry, but see, when you meet a doctor will analyze you first properly. What is your medical history? What symptoms you have in the body? Is there any family history in your which is not keeping you healthy? आपकी family में कोई disorder है, hereditary disorder है, तो doctor will check your body completely. Yeah. Your status and what medicine you have been taking. Same thing you have to do. Prospecting में होता है current situation आपको सामने वाले की, you need to understand the current situation of your client. When you go to sell insurance, you have to understand his family history, family thing, and his current portfolio. As Nirnay said कि उसका current investment है कितना, कहाँ पे है, FD में कितना डाला है, इंश्योरेंस में कितना डाला है, म्यूचुअल फंड्स में कितना है. तभी तो मुझे पता चलेगा कि वो अंडर इंश्योर्ड है कि ओवर इंश्योर्ड है. Then only I will come to know that I need to sell insurance to this guy, or is he, कि इसका ही खाली कवर है कि फैमिली में बाकी लोग का कवर नहीं है. So that gives me an idea कि भैया मेरे को इसको बेचना कितना है. Number 1. Number 2, area of concern. After analyzing current situation, you will come to know the area of concern कि इसका पेन कहाँ पे है, इसकी current situation तो ये है. This is his current situation. But this is the painful area in his life or her life. Let's say a person do not have any insurance. The person has been using some local tiles, and he has not approached Lokesh to get high quality tiles from him. So आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि what is the painful area. The pain area you will understand only by talking about his current situation. Current situation में भी questions कैसे करते हैं हम लोग? You should not ask close-ended question. You should ask open-ended question. Like I will give you an example. Lokesh, how many members are there in your family? आपके परिवार में कितने लोग हैं? 2. Okay. निर्णय, आपके परिवार में कितने लोग हैं?
Sir, 4 adults and 2 kids.
Okay. Now, अब बताइए, निर्णय, tell me more about yourself. आपको समझ में आ गया?
Yes,
तो
sir.
यहाँ पे कस्टमर के सामने मिजरेबली फेल हो जाता है सेल्स वाला. वो क्लोज एंडेड क्वेश्चन करता है कि सर क्लोज एंडेड क्वेश्चन कहाँ पे करना है, ये भी मैं आता हूँ. ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन करिए इन्वेस्टिगेशन के समय कि सर आप अपने बारे में सब कुछ बताइए मेरे को, आपका घर, आपका परिवार, आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट, जो जो आपके दिमाग में है, बिकॉज मैं आपका डॉक्टर हूँ. आई एम योर फाइनेंशियल डॉक्टर. ठीक है. तो ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन, सर टेल मी मोर अबाउट योरसेल्फ. वहां से आपको करंट सिचुएशन पता चलेगी पूरी, उस पे आपको एरिया ऑफ कंसर्न पता चलेगा. यू विल कम टू नो व्हाट इज द पेन एरिया इन हिज और हर लाइफ. करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग. ठीक है.
Correct.
After that you will do the analysis कि इसका painful area है. For example, if person needs a retirement money of 5 crores, but his current investment is at 1 crore here, so there is a gap, right? You will come to know only after the analysis. Now you are here to bridge this gap. उसको बोलते हैं gain commitment. Now once you understand this, you will explain this to the customer कि सर आपको यहाँ आना है, आप यहाँ पे हो, ये gap दिख रहा है सर आपको? Do you acknowledge, sir? Do you understand this? So he will say, yes. Oh my God, I didn't know this. वो gap जब आप bridge करोगे, उसको बोलते हैं gaining commitment. Most of the time, many times, sales personals fail to gain commitment from the customers. उनसे पूछते भी नहीं कि सर आपको this sounds good to you? ये आपको समझ में आया सर? ये आपको महसूस हुआ कि ये क्या चल रहा है आपके लाइफ में? कहाँ पे गैप है? उससे एक्नॉलेज लीजिए, एक्नॉलेजमेंट लीजिए, टेक एक्नॉलेजमेंट फ्रॉम योर क्लाइंट कि बॉस यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज द गैप. उसके बाद बोलते हैं फीचर, एडवांटेज एंड बेनिफिट्स. देन यू मस्ट गो टू फीचर, एडवांटेज एंड बेनिफिट. व्हाट इज फीचर? दिस इज रेड टी शर्ट, इट हैज अ यूएस पोलो लोगो हियर, इट हैज अमेरिकन फ्लैग हियर. ठीक है, दिस इज द फीचर. व्हाट इज द बेनिफिट? द बेनिफिट इज दिस टी शर्ट gives me it's cold when it's summer, and it is hot, it is warm when it is winter. You should never iron this t-shirt. In case if there are wrinkles, it will automatically settle.
Wrinkle
There's
free.
a warranty on this t-shirt, wrinkle free, whatever, this t-shirt, even if you stretch, this won't be like, you cannot tear it into pieces. This is so strong. This is used, this t-shirt is made by German thread, which has a warranty of 3 years. What I'm trying to tell you is, आप फीचर नहीं बता रहे कि सर लाल टी शर्ट है खरीद लो. लाल टी शर्ट तो हर जगह मिल जाएगी, लेकिन उस टी शर्ट को पहनने से फायदा क्या हो रहा है पीयूष को? वो होता है बेनिफिट.
Handsome, chunky,
Exactly.
handsome.
Yes sir.
Evergreen, handsome personality.
Evergreen handsome personality. So बहुत अच्छी बात कही सेठी साहब ने. और तो we must explain benefits to the customer. कई बार होता है सर, 2 दिन पहले कॉल आता, गुड मॉर्निंग सर, दिस इज सौम्या कॉलिंग फ्रॉम HDFC बैंक, आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन क्रेडिट कार्ड? एंड माय आंसर वाज नो. Bank the phone.
Yes.
Because selling was wrong. Good morning, Mr. Piyush. This is Soumya calling from HDFC Bank. Is it the right time to talk to you? I'll say yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead, please.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir. I am Soumya from HDFC Bank, and please don't consider it as a sales call. This is a relationship call. The objective of my discussion is we are coming up with some, new value proposition for our customers. Let me explain you. There is no obligation for you that you have to listen to me or you have to buy my product. As a relationship, manager, I'm here to support you by giving you a new product launch, and it's totally up to you, sir, whether you buy or decline the proposal. Shall I explain you more about it? customer will understand, the customer will say yes, बताइए. Second चीज एक और होती है, the sales personnel start selling on the phone. अरे सर टारगेट प्रेशर है सिर के ऊपर में. अरे सर आप, मैं चेक भेज देता हूँ. हाँ, चेक भेज देता हूँ मैं. आई विल सेंड चेक्स. आप फॉर्म भर देते हो. Never ever sell on the phone. Never ever sell on the phone. Be very proud when you sell a product. मेरा product है. Sir, you need to give me some time. I need to make a proposal. I will explain you how this product will work. I don't need your check, sir. The best business happens when you don't talk about business. ये मेरा फंडा है. जब आप बिजनेस की बात नहीं करते हो, सबसे अच्छा बिजनेस तभी होता है. तो शान से बिजनेस करना है.
वैल्यू एडिशन.
कस्टमर को बोलना है कि वैल्यू एडिशन सर, कि सर मैं चेक लेकर करूंगा क्या जब आप मेरे को 1 करोड़ दे दोगे, पर आपकी लाइफ में तो कुछ वैल्यू एड ही नहीं हुआ. मैं कर क्या रहा हूँ आपकी लाइफ में? आई एम नॉट डूइंग जीरो फॉर यू. So let me make a nice proposal. Let me come tomorrow. I'm not going to explain this on the phone because there are technicalities involved. What customer does here? The customer will play with you. Customer will take all the details on the phone. सब कुछ वो जाएगा competitor के पास. He will compare the price. Obviously, customer mind है. He will not understand feature, advantage, and benefit, and the customer will buy from the other party at a lower price. That is why मेरा request है, कभी भी never ever sell on the phone. बोलिए कि सर मैं कल आके टेक्निकलिटीज आपको समझाता हूँ. These are my reviews. आप reviews को go through करिए and let's talk over a cup of coffee or over the lunch. एक और मेरा fundamental है, always call a client over a heavy breakfast or the lunch because ज्यादा समय मिलेगा आपको बात करने के लिए. ज्यादा समय मिलेगा उनके साथ में बात करने के. The more time you get, the more understanding will happen with the customer. कि मैंने कई सेल्स पर्सनल देखे हैं, कस्टमर ऑफर करता है कि यार क्या खाओगे, मतलब डोंट थिंक कि मैं खाने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, बट कस्टमर अगर ऑफर कॉफी कभी कभी ऑफर करते हैं, हैव इट. you're a professional, have a coffee or a cup of coffee, you talk, be a professional and कॉफी पीजिए उनके साथ में, लस्सी पीजिए, उनसे बात करिए, फैमिली बन जाइए आप उनके साथ में. तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि फोन पे कभी सेल नहीं करना है. दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ प्रोस्पेक्टिंग. या मनी, अथॉरिटी एंड नीड. एज आई सेड, इफ अ पर्सन हैज मनी, पर्सन हैज अथॉरिटी टू राइट द चेक एंड पर्सन हैज अ नीड. ये तीन चीज जब तक इंसान में नहीं है, अगर सेल्स वाला उसके पीछे घूम रहा है तो बहुत मुश्किल है चेक लेना. He is not a customer. Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes, Sethi sir. Yes.
बस customer one form is there. कष्ट दे के मार.
कष्ट दे के मार. तो बिल्कुल सही बोला. तो कष्ट दे देगा वो इंसान. ठीक है. तो और अब तीसरा स्टेप होता है एडवाइजिंग, जिसका ये हमने कवर किया. सस्पेक्टिंग, प्रोस्पेक्टिंग का पार्ट होता है मनी, अथॉरिटी एंड नीड. एडवाइजिंग में हमारा आता है करंट सिचुएशन एनालाइज करना, एरिया ऑफ कंसर्न जो मैंने अभी एक्सप्लेन किया थोड़ी देर पहले. क्लोजिंग टेक्निक्स, चौथा होता है क्लोजिंग टेक्निक्स. क्लोज कैसे करना है बिजनेस को. यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी गलती करते हैं सेल्स वाले. मैं आपको बताता हूँ क्या गलती होती है. अब मैं आया सेठी साहब के पास में और मैंने सेठी साहब से पूछा, सर आप तो समझ गए प्रोडक्ट. हाँ समझ गया पीयूष. अच्छा आप खरीदोगे. हाँ खरीदूंगा पीयूष. अब पीयूष ने क्या पूछा, सर आप सर ये कल खरीदोगे कि 10 तारीख को सर. तो सेठी साहब बोलेंगे भाई मैं 10 को ही खरीदूंगा. नो, व्हेन यू नो द क्लाइंट इज रेडी, यू शुड हैव द फॉर्म रेडी. कि सर ये देख फॉर्म है मेरे पास में, ठीक है, मैं फॉर्म लेके आया हूं, इसमें आपका नाम भी है, या फॉर्म भरें. क्लोज एंडेड क्वेश्चन कहां पे करने की, सर आप चेक से पे करेंगे कि आप ईएमआई देंगे, कि आप गूगल पे कर रहे हैं, कि आप फोन पे कर रहे हैं. मुझे पता है आप बिजनेस दे रहे हो. मैं पूछ नहीं रहा हूं आपसे कि आप मेरे को बिजनेस दोगे कि नहीं दोगे, मुझे तो पता ही है. सी, सेल्स इज ऑल अबाउट पुश, बट एथिकल पुश. कभी भी वो पुश नहीं कि किसी को धक्का मारे. तो कस्टमर वहां पे गड़बड़ हो जाता है. कई केसेस मैंने देखे हैं, सेल्स वाले ने उनको ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन कर दिया वहां पे कि सर आप कब दोगे चेक. भाई मैं 1 महीने बाद दूंगा. 1 महीने बाद आ जाइए मेरे पास. गया वो बिजनेस ही गया. सेल्स ऐसा ही होता है. दिस इज हाउ सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग इज. तो फॉर्म लेके जाइए, अपना एक मार्केटिंग किट रेडी होनी चाहिए उसके पास में, सेल्स वाले के पास में. सारे उनके पास में ईडीसी मशीन सब होना चाहिए. सर आप ईडीसी मशीन से पे कर रहे हो कि आप क्रेडिट कार्ड से पे कर रहे हो कि आप ईएमआई से पे कर रहे हो. मुझे पता है आप पे कर रहे हो. ये बताओ कि पे कैसे कर रहे हो, कैश दे रहे हो, तो कस्टमर फंस जाएगा उस घेरे में। आई एम सेइंग फंसने का मतलब मैं बहुत पॉजिटिव वे में बता रहा हूँ, काइंडली डू नॉट टेक इट अदरवाइज। मतलब उस घेरे में आ जाएगा कस्टमर, आपको चेक देने के लिए प्रेशर में आ जाएगा, और वो प्रेशर बहुत पॉजिटिव प्रेशर है, बिकॉज ही इज कन्विंस्ड विद यू, ही इज कन्विंस्ड विद योर प्रोसेस, जो आपने सस्पेक्टिंग, प्रोस्पेक्टिंग, एडवाइजिंग जो की है। वहां पे आप इस क्लोज एंडेड क्वेश्चन को यूज करेंगे कि सर चेक से दे रहे हो कि कैश से दे रहे हो, तो बिजनेस वहां पे क्लोज हो जाता है।
आवाज खराब होगी सर आपकी।
प्रोसेस होता है check
वॉल्यूम वॉल्यूम।
जाने के बाद
Sound
earnings।
not clear, sir.
साउंड
आपको ये भी देखना है कि इसमें earning हो रही है कि नहीं। See, earnings में जैसे
हेलो। Are you audible? No. You see.
Unmute, sir, unmute.
Okay.
Unmute,
Now,
sir.
okay, I'm sorry. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
you are audible now.
Okay, perfect. So मैं क्या कह रहा था कि fifth step कि now earnings, when it comes to earning, you need to check. There are many things like documents सही हैं क्या customer के, or you have not done your due diligence properly. इस customer का past track record क्या है, इसके check bounces कितने हैं. You will come to know all that by looking at his bank statement or whatever, कुछ ना कुछ आपको पता चल जाएगा. तो earnings कैसी है, ये नहीं कि आपने एक छोटे छोटे प्रोडक्ट्स बेच के आपका खर्चा ही नहीं निकल रहा है, आपके मार्जिन ही नहीं आ रहे, यू आर नॉट इवन एबल टू जनरेट प्रॉपर margin and you are not able to meet your expenses. So that you need to analyze properly by talking to your colleagues, your bosses, based on the strategies that you have in the organization. Sixth आता है renewal. Now this customer has to be a potential customer wherein you will upsell and cross sell to him every now and then or whenever it is possible. This is not a one-time policy. Renewal means to renew the business. The same customer, again, there are also the customers like, when I have sold a general insurance, a motor insurance to a client, it doesn't mean that he will be always a motor insurance customer. I can go back to him and sell him health insurance. I can go back to him and sell him a yoga product, a product like yoga. I can sell him Vedic astrology solution. I can, based on again need analysis, I can sell him mutual fund investments. So एक चीज होती है जब आपको एक you are in a orchard, let's say you are in a place where there are a lot of mango trees, in that place. आप कौन सा mango सबसे पहले तोड़ोगे? I'm asking you, which mango you're going to pluck in the very first move? The mango which is directly there on your head. The mango which is directly there above your head, not the one which is there on the top of the branches. That is known as low hanging fruit. जो customer आपका existing base है, the customer that you have ready made in your hand, your existing clients, they are the first to be informed about a new product, new services, for any upselling or any cross selling. Instead of, yes, you have to, getting new customer is like dialysis, blood in the body is required. You cannot be dependent on old clients all the time. You have to generate new clients. The moment these old clients stop giving you business, you'll be clueless. So this is a cycle, law of large numbers. See, the standard is you keep meeting 2 people in a day. The sales meeting का फंडा होता है. You have to meet just 2 people in a day. Your numbers will happen. Your business will happen. Come what may. So this is in short about my understanding, the way I have, been driving sales in my corporate life. I have used this tool very well, and there were times at many a time sales thick and thin chalte hain. We also face that. We have also faced that. But in totality, this skeletal framework is very strong. Somebody uses this framework, he or she will never fail. That is my understanding. So this was in short about what are the basics we need to use when we go about sales and marketing, especially sales. Any questions, please?
Great, sir. Excellent. You touched one point which I understand. Old is gold, means the people you have got in your list already. You should see first that.
सर आपको मैं एक एग्जांपल बता रहा हूँ. जब मैं इंश्योरेंस में था, हमारा टीम का एक बंदा, उसने एक लिस्ट होती थी सर, जिसको बोलना तो नहीं चाहिए, ऑर्फन क्लाइंट्स बोलते थे. ऐसे क्लाइंट्स जिनको 4 साल पहले बेचा गया माल, अब उनके टच में कोई, नोबडी इज इन टच विद देम. तो वो लिस्ट है. उस लिस्ट पे कोई काम नहीं हुआ. वहां पे आई थिंक मैक्स न्यूयॉर्क लाइफ वालों ने जाके 25 लाख का इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम बेच दिया उन लोगों.
100% एग्री.
आप सोचिए, आप मैंगो नहीं खाएंगे तो कोई और खाएगा पेड़ पे चढ़ के. कोई ना कोई तो खाएगा.
कोई ना कोई खाएगा.
बहुत है. अभी तो मैं खैर अध्यात्म में आ गया, मैं स्पिरिचुअलिटी में, मैं योगा स्कूल चलाता हूँ. मैं एक वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजर हूँ और मैं एक ऑथर हूँ. मैंने एक बुक लिखी है और मैं एक ऑकल्ट साइंस हूँ. लेकिन
एक सर अपना नंबर जरूर दे के जाइएगा आप.
बिल्कुल सर,
मैं आपको एक ग्रुप से जोड़ूंगा. और हमारे हितेश जी हैं, हितेश चंदेल, वो भी आध्यात्मिक रूप से हैं, युग परिवर्तन कर रहे हैं. मैं उनसे दूंगा आपको.
मैं सर बिल्कुल सर, मैं आपको 9916803456 मेरा नंबर है.
एक मिनट सर, मैं लिख लेता हूँ सर. मैं मोबाइल में लिख लेता हूँ. एक मिनट सर, मैं अपने में लिख लेता हूँ.
और मैं
एक मिनट सर. हाँ सर बोलिए. 99168168. हाँ जी. 03456.
हाँ जी. डॉक्टर पीयूष गोयल है सर मेरा नाम.
अरे वाह, ग्रेट सर. यू आर डॉक्टर आल्सो. वेरी गुड.
नहीं मतलब मैं ऑनरी वाला डॉक्टरेट हूँ सर. पीएचडी नहीं, कहीं जो ऑनरी से मिलता है वो वाला जो डॉक्टरेट है वो है.
9916803456.
Yes,
I will call you after, maybe tomorrow I will call you. Doctor,
please sir, ping me or WhatsApp.
Yeah, I will share my number in this chat box already.
Sure, आप WhatsApp कर दीजिए मेरे को. You can WhatsApp me.
मैं कर दूंगा अभी आपको. भी मैं देख रहा हूँ, मैंने नंबर सेव कर लिया आपका WhatsApp पे अपने में.
थैंक यू सर. तो मैं एक आध्यात्मिक इंसान हूँ. आज के टाइम पे सेल्स से मैं परे हूँ काफी समय से. लोकेश बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. मैं धन्य
सर. ऐसा है लाइफ में लास्ट स्पिरिचुअली है, इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है.
स्पिरिचुअली है जी. जो आप मुझे अभी देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, मैं
फ्रॉम बर्थ टू द एंड ऑफ द लाइफ वी आर स्टोरी टेलिंग.
जी
वी आर डूइंग समथिंग स्टोरीज, दैट्स ऑल. नथिंग इज देयर. कड़वा सच जन्म और कड़वा सच एक है. उसके बीच में हम लोग खेल रहे हैं, प्ले कर रहे हैं.
जी बिल्कुल.
पीपल आर सीइंग कुछ अच्छा खेल के, कुछ बुरा खेल के. खेलों में खेल के.
और सर जो सेल्स है उसको वर्डली रियलाइजेशन बोलेंगे, भोग. और जो मैं कर रहा हूँ आज के, उसको बोलेंगे सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन, योग. तो भोग से योग की यात्रा तो हम हर इंसान करता है. वो बोलते ना कि शंकर से जो शिव का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है. शंकर थे परिवार वाले और शिव जी हो गए हिमालय पर्वत पे बैठे हुए, जिनको परिवार से कोई मतलब नहीं है. तो ये तो हर इंसान का हिस्सा है जिंदगी का.
सही बात.
तो
सेल्स में एक है व्हेन आयरन इज हॉट, हैमर. जब भी सेल्स में पिच हाई हो कस्टमर के साथ और इंटरेस्ट हाई हो, क्लोज द सेल दैटसेल्फ. डोंट टेल मच.
एग्जैक्टली.
A patient is your customer is convinced on one benefit itself. Don't go for another benefit. Close the sale.
I was designated as a location head with one of the insurance company, and 23rd of the month we had huge target pressure, and करीबन 30 lakhs का shortfall था सर insurance का. Trust me, 30 lakhs is a big number in insurance premium, collected premium I'm saying. I took an orphan client का list. आप भरोसा नहीं करें, मैं I'm getting goosebumps now. मैंने वो लिस्ट उठाई और हमारे कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल हुए, नेशनल हेड ने टुक अवर कॉन्फ्रेंस कॉल एंड सेड पीयूष कितना करेगा तू तेरी टीम के साथ. आई स्ट्रेट अवे said I'll do 25 lakhs not 30 lakhs. Give me 5 lakhs का relaxation. I'll do 25 lakhs. Sir, within 5 days you won't believe I did 23.5 lakhs collected premium all alone. I cracked that orphan client ka list. There were so many clients who were ready with a check. Nobody has asked us business for last 4 years. Where are you guys? You took our business 4 years back. अभी आप मुंह भी नहीं दिखा रहे हो. मैंने बोला सर मैं आया हूँ ना. उनका पूरा need analysis किया. I did their need analysis. I sat with those orphan clients who were left by the old sales personnel, and 2 people. एक ने मेरे को 18 लाख का चेक दिया. One person for 4 members of their family, and the another person gave me about 6 odd lakh. 24 lakhs का insurance premium sir. It is sir, खून निकल जाता है बॉडी से उतना प्रीमियम उठाने के लिए. Trust me. So हमेशा मेरा ये बोला सी सेल्स में हो तो फिर एग्रेसिव रहो. Be aggressive as well means on everything.
तो आप सर रहते क्या है
सर? मैं बैंगलोर में सीवी.
ओके, बैंगलोर.
सर मैं बैंगलोर में 21 इयर्स हो गया है. और पहले मेरा जो रूट है रायपुर छत्तीसगढ़ से हूँ. मेरे स्कूल के मित्र मिस्टर लोकेश वर्मा भी यहीं पे हैं जो हम साथ में पढ़े हुए हैं. तो मैं एक भाग तो वो जान सकते हैं इस चीज को. तो ये है सर उसमें टोटल इन टोटलिटी जो हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं अभी सेल्स की. एनीवन एल्स वुड लाइक टू ऐड? ओह वेरी गुड.
मैंने फाइजर में काम किया है 25 इयर्स सेल्स ट्रेनिंग मार्केटिंग में. हेलो आज कौन? हेलो
बोलिए
सर. हाँ जी.
हेलो. हाँ जी. आई वर्कड इन
हाँ बोलिए सर.
मैंने कहा सर आई हैव वर्कड इन फाइजर लिमिटेड फार्मास्यूटिकल कंपनी इन सेल्स ट्रेडिंग एंड मार्केटिंग.
Oh, very good, sir. Very good.
So I thought to at least see that you are given some new tips everywhere. Every time you go and meet a person, you learn something.
Yes, sir.
That's the point. That's why I just joined.
Customers are the best teachers, I should say. They teach us a lot.
Very true.
Customers and हमारी field में.
In government organization, higher authority is the boss, but in our business, customer is the boss.
Yes.
So what we have to learn from him.
Why salespeople are under pressure or they fall on the feet of a customer, I should say, because उनको confidence नहीं होता. They don't know the process.
Should not.
Once you are strong with your process, ना customer आपके पास में आके झुकेंगे कि बस चेक लेके जाओ. Because मेरा पैसा सेफ है आपके पास है, मुझे पता है, आप ही लेके जाओ चेक. सर आज मैं जैसे मेरे इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स हैं योगा के जो आते हैं पूरे यूरोप से, तो वो खुश होके जाते हैं बिकॉज हम सही सिखाएंगे. मेरा काम है मैं इंटरनेशनल टीचर्स तैयार करता हूँ योगा. तो हमारे पास लोग खुशी खुशी आते हैं क्योंकि ट्रस्ट है उनको कि हमको नॉलेज है योग और अध्यात्म के बारे में. वही चीज कस्टमर भी सोचता है सर कि मेरा पैसा खा के तो नहीं चले जाएंगे, मतलब मेरा पैसा सेफ भी है कि नहीं है, इट्स सेफ और नॉट, है ना. तो वो चीज है.
वर्क एज ए कंसल्टेंट, नॉट एज ए सेल्समैन.
या करेक्ट.
Give the consultancy, give the value addition, then ask the customer, make the customer to buy, don't sell yourself.
Yeah. I was planning to do something like anyways we'll talk offline about it. तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. और कोई अपना इनपुट देना चाहेंगे after so much of discussion? Asanga, you would like to say something? Asanga, Okay, now let me introduce yourself. Not let yourself me. Let me introduce my friend and a student from Sri Lanka. Okay. So there is too much of some, I mean, it was raining heavily this evening, so there was some disturbance in the network. Asanga, you are there?
Yes, yes, there's disturbances.
So let me introduce Asanga. Asanga is my student and an international teacher of yoga from Sri Lanka. He was certified by me and my school last year. Asanga is into sales. He's a Taekwondo martial art expert. He's a black belt from you stay in Kandy, right, Asanga, Sri Lanka?
No, near Colombo, actually Nigambo, near Nigambo.
Nigambo Beach. Okay, okay. I think probably next year we are going to meet. Any input you would like to share or any understanding about sales which you have?
I learned a lot today, and I would like to know what are the social media options we can use to get more clients.
See, I tell you, I mean, social media clients, I was talking to in Hindi also. So Facebook is there. I think people will laugh, but I think Facebook is a strong tool, to promote your business. Don't you think so? Instead of putting party pictures, ki main yahan pe gayi, yahan pe gaya, why can't we use Facebook as a tool to showcase our work? I know it's not a complete business platform, but Facebook is a very strong tool. Number two, Instagram. Instagram is something which we have to use with proper hashtags. And, third is LinkedIn has, I think, in my case, LinkedIn has not given me a fantastic result because I was not that active in LinkedIn. But LinkedIn is a very strong platform. Twitter is there. So without these, social media platforms, I think we all are incomplete nowadays because whole world is living their life in social media, or 70% of their life is spent in these platforms. अगर आप देखेंगे सब लोगों को तो. Plus, as I said, suspecting wheel. Your WhatsApp group itself, you never know. Never judge that. If you're doing something, you can inform people on your WhatsApp groups as well that, hey guys, I'm doing this. So आपके WhatsApp groups हैं. See, WhatsApp groups are just not for chit chat, मजाक करने के लिए. Sensible चीजें होनी चाहिए WhatsApp groups में. Yeah, कि कोई business हो रहा है, किसी को inspire कर रहे हैं, we are inspiring others and things like that. We are doing something. So, the other thing is, one thing sales personnel should never leave is cold calling. Cold calling means होनी चाहिए, उसमें आपका जोश बना रहता है. You have that high josh in you. You take a list and call them. You will come to know what's going in the market. What's going in the market? How customers behave? How do they respond? When you take call, you face rejections. कई बार गालियां भी पड़ती है ना कि customers say, what time you have called, man? You don't have brains or what? होता है कभी-कभी. लेकिन ऐसे समय पे कॉल नहीं करना है. For that there is a telecalling technique, telecalling process है. When to call a customer, how to talk on phone, when to bank the call, when to connect on call, all that thing. So a sales personnel has to be a very, very strong telecaller also. We all agree to this? You have to be a very good telecaller. Yeah. Sachin ji kuch bolna chahenge? Sachin would like to add some value here.
Sir, I have one question. Actually, you said that prospecting and all. So what happens that I will introduce myself, because when introduction
जी
was going on, I was driving, so I could not
जी
introduce. So I am Sachin Shah. I am chartered accountant. So
जी
like last year, I left my job and started business. So
जी
as a part of our business, as a marketing, we have started a cooking channel. Name is Cooking Kumar. So where
जी
I showcase my recipes and all, and we are planning to introduce all fruit products like dry fruits and all. So
हम्म
what happens that when you like this channel, when we try to uh, uh, tell it to our friends and family first, obviously they are our customers and all. So the response is not as much as we expect. Like everyone will talk about it when you meet them, but when you see the number of subscribers to the channel vis-a-vis the people talk about it, it is not commensurate with that. So like I have roughly 500 subscribers, but when we meet like family members and friends, it should have been already 1500 types. So people talk
I
about
think
it, but then don't subscribe. So how to deal with that? How to ensure that they go and subscribe?
sir, if I was in your place, or maybe we all are different sales personals. मैं अगर मैं आपकी जगह होऊंगा तो मैं क्या करूंगा? Somewhere I feel your suspecting has to be more stronger actually. When I say suspecting, who do I know? Because there is a sports company like Decathlon. I can do some event on nutrition and healthy food. Who do I know? Because I know a gastroenterologist who keep getting cases of stomach disorders. Who do I know? Because my friend is running a yoga school. Who do I know? Because I was myself an athlete and a part of a club. Who do I know? Because I know a person in online media. Now, let's say these 5 channels. I personally, I'm a feet on street guy. I believe more on a work which has to be done on the ground. आप कुछ event करिए, talk to Decathlon, talk to any nutrition company, vegan food company, talk to any company which has processed fresh fruit juices in them. Tell them, hey guys, let's collaborate, let's do some event. वहां पे आप event करिए, वहां पे you create the awareness about your product. See, आज भी हिंदुस्तान में, आज भी in India, we guys are more desi. You know, these Instagram and all that has come now. हम लोग अभी भी to learn, if I have to get something, I know Instagram is good and YouTube is good, but when people will interact with you in those places, let's say you have called about 500 people have come to Decathlon and you have tied up with Decathlon and said कि boss मैं ये food का काम कर रहा हूँ, this is my channel guys, subscribe to my channel. वो सस्पेक्टिंग हो गई, आपको एक साथ सर 500 लोग मिल गए वहां पे, you got 500 people at a time. Now you do those events like 3 or 4 events in a month, one at Decathlon, one is with one vegan company, one is with, it's not that easy, you have to talk to them.
Yeah.
End of the month, you will know you have 400 subscribers, 500, 10,000, 1,000 subscribers every month, because you are getting people in bulk on the floor. And आजकल now जैसा सेठी साहब ने एक चीज बोली, जब लोहा गर्म हो तो हथौड़ा, कोविड का समय जब फूड बिजनेस और क्वालिटी फूड बिजनेस लोग देख रहे हैं, वो घर में बैठे बैठे भी लोग पक गए एक्चुअली. तो ऐसा इवेंट कोविड प्रोटोकॉल्स को, इंडियन गवर्नमेंट्स के जो प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं उनको फॉलो करते हुए आप ऐसा कुछ इवेंट करिए जहां पे कोई इन्फेक्शन का डर नहीं हो, एंड लोग खुशी खुशी आएंगे सर. पीपल आर तड़पाफाइंग इनसाइड टू सी सम इवेंट्स लाइक दैट. वहां से आपको रेडीमेड एक छोटे से आइडिया से आपको बैठे बैठे 600 सब्सक्राइबर्स ऐसे मिल जाएंगे. एंड देन कॉल देम कि भैया सब्सक्राइब करो, कुछ लॉन्च कर दीजिए. एक जैसे मैंने किया था, I did a yoga event and I tied up with yoga bars. If you know, chocolates आती हैं yoga bars. So I said, हाँ, तो I told them कि come over and come with about 300 to 400 chocolates. I did an international workshop of yoga in Decathlon, and उसके बाद सबको हमने yoga bars free में distribute किया सर, 4-4, 3-3 पीस. तो उनका भी काम होगा कि guys, these guys are distributing health and wealth both एक. तो वैसा कुछ करके देखिए सर, इससे आपका funnel काफी जल्दी बढ़ जाएगा.
Yes, thank you.
क्योंकि फूड बिजनेस है ना सर, फ्रेश बना के वहीं पे उनको, अच्छा फूड क्या है चखाओगे, जब तक दिल दिल तक तो तभी पहुंचे जब पेट में आएगा सामान जो अपना है। तो फ्रेश बनाइए वहीं पे, ताजा ताजा उनको बना के टेस्ट कराइए वहीं पे, और बोलिए कि सर ये है हमारा खाना। उसके बाद बोलेंगे अरे यार उस दिन इवेंट में गए थे, हमारे एक सर आए थे सचिन जी, उनका खाना बड़ा अच्छा, अरे नहीं मैं नहीं जा सकता, ओके उनका कोई यूट्यूब चैनल क्या है, मैं वहां से देख लेती हूँ। लाइक दैट द रेफरेंसेस विल ग्रो।
Yes.
दूसरा बंदा नहीं भी आ पाएगा इवेंट, तो दैट्स हाउ योर बिजनेस विल आई थिंक मल्टीप्लाई।
Multiply.
तो सस्पेक्टिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ बेसिकली, आप सस्पेक्टिंग से स्टार्ट कर दीजिए और टाई अप कोलैबोरेट करिए। सर फूड बिजनेस बहुत डिमांड अच्छी है, इट्स इन
Yes.
डिमांड, सो सम यू नो something unique, like
Yes. Yes.
I hope I was able to add some value to your question.
Yes, sir. Whenever we are like we have some question, we will WhatsApp you, sir. You have already shared number.
Please we
Because
our life,
sales is
like हम लोग की
completely
जो
different.
life,
Sales is actually completely different domain. I have always worked in audit and accounting and all. So I will actually need guidance and support from people like you who are actually having vast experience in sales.
जी काफी सर इसमें है कि बोलते हैं कि हमारी जो लाइफ थी सर, फ्रैंकली बताऊं, जिस प्रेशर में हम लोग काम किए हैं, मतलब कल ये पता नहीं रहता था कि जो हम लोग को, बिकॉज मैं अपनी बात बताऊं, मैं अध्यात्म में कब घुसा था। आई हैव रिजाइंड फ्रॉम अ जॉब विच वाज पेइंग मी 28.5 lakhs एनुअल सैलरी। मेरी 30 लाख रुपए की साल की सैलरी थी, जिसको मैं छोड़ के अध्यात्म में आया हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत किए सेल्स और मुझे अपना खुद का, यानी वो बहुत लॉन्ग स्टोरी है। तो लेकिन जैसा आपने बोला कि, और सेल्स सर मैं बताऊं बहुत इजी है, आपने सही जगह पे हिट किया है ना, चेक आएगा आपके पास में। और खाना तो सर, फूड बिजनेस इज सच अ वंडरफुल बिजनेस कि मैं क्या बताऊं आपको।
Thank you, sir, for your inputs, and we will keep bothering you as and when we need help.
नहीं नहीं प्लीज, मैं खुशी होगी मुझे आपको हेल्प करूंगा। मेरा नंबर भी मैंने दे दिया है, 991680। ओके ओके। और मैंने अभी चैट पे सर फॉर्म्स शेयर किया है, फॉर्म आपको फिल करने हैं, तभी सब सर्टिफिकेट इश्यू हो पाएंगे। तो बुक माई सेशन, आप लोग सब लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट है, मेरे चैट पे फॉर्म शेयर किया है, सब लोगों से प्लीज फिल अप द फॉर्म्स सो दैट योर सर्टिफिकेट्स कैन रीच यू।
Sir, your number once again. Sir, your number once again. Sorry, sir. Okay.
I'm not able. Who is this? Suresh, Mr. Suresh.
Sorry, 99168.
034.
Okay.
56.
Fine, sir. We will.
I'm planning to start a full-fledged sales workshop, which will be like 1.5 to 2 hours for 10 days, a proper certification program from October. Actually, that's my plan. Yeah. तो वो करने वाला हूँ मैं स्टार्ट।
Great.
Yes.
Sales was very close to my heart, and so you know that's why in my yoga school I have not assigned any marketing or sales role to anyone. I take care of myself, everything. So it was really, so it was fantastic interacting with all of you, Sachin ji, Lokesh, Asanga, ऋषि जी, आपके सपोर्ट के बिना कुछ हो नहीं सकता था, निर्णय, गिरीश, संदीप,
थैंक यू सर,
सुरेश जी, नायक जी, बिशु, एवरीवन, आई रियली, एक योगी की तरफ से मेरा नमस्ते आप सब लोगों को। आप आए मेरे सेशन में, एंड माय सेशन वाज ब्लेस्ड, and stay connected, stay healthy, stay in touch. Thank you so much. So let's finish the session now. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Thanks.
वो फॉर्म सब भर दीजिए सब लोग, वो फॉर्म्स प्लीज फिल अप द फॉर्म्स on the chat I have shared.
Okay, bye.
Done, sir. Done.
Thanks.
Thank you.